So we started using external sheets for our data. Now let's try to change the data from our Excel sheet and see if that affects our results, our test results. So instead of 100,000, let's put 200,000. And for the loan term, let's make it 15 years. And interest rate will increase it to 5%. And let's save this Excel sheet. And let's put some wait statements in between these entering fields so that we can see it happening. So wait 2 means wait for 2 seconds before you execute the next step. So we'll put another one here, wait 2 seconds. And we'll say wait 2 seconds. Okay. So we never performed step number 5, which is close the browser. So let's put this comment, which is step number 5, and we'll actually close the browser. So let's take the browser name. This is the browser that we're trying to close after we perform all of these tasks, all of these items. So we'll say browser.close. Close. Okay. So let's close the browser and let's run this and see if we get if we get different results or any errors. And the different result is based on the different input data that's in our Excel sheet. So it navigates to calculator. We can see 200,000 got entered because we changed the value to 200,000, 15 years, right? And 5%. And it did click on calculate. And let's check the print log. And at this time, so we have a different monthly payment. So instead of 200 something, we have a much higher monthly payment, which is $1,581.89. So now the benefit of having a data-driven framework is the ability to do this. So if we have non-technical people, if you have a manual tester, does not do a lot of scripting, or a business analyst, or a QM manager, so the people that do not or are not involved in writing codes and VB scripting and making changes, they do not know how to use this script. They do not know how to edit the data. So all of the information within the script, all they need to do to edit it is actually open the script and run the script. And if they need to change the data, if they need to change the input data and output data, they can basically just open the Excel sheet. And everyone should understand Excel sheets. Excel sheets are something that even non-technical people who are not very technical, can also use Excel. So non-automation people can open this Excel sheet and change the data based on their needs and based on the test cases. And they can add multiple sets of data, thousands and hundreds of thousands of data that they can add, and then they can run these scripts without making any code level changes. Okay? So this is one of the main benefits of using a data-driven framework and using external data sheets, is the ability for anyone to adapt it to their needs. So in the next video, we'll add some monthly payment, and we'll add into our monthly payment column in our data sheet, and then let's compare the results with our captured getRO property. So the getRO property that we have, which is this here, let's compare this capture result and put some expected values in our Excel sheet. And let's read the Excel sheet monthly payment column so that we can get some pass and fail statuses into our test based on our expectations and our expected results. So the main concept of doing this test is to get the expected result. So what if we get 1,300 something as a monthly payment, but we are expecting $1,500 monthly payment, right? So this is a bug that we would have to work out. This is a problem within the application. So the main purpose of testing is to verify whether you are getting the expected result or not. So in the next video, we'll put some expected results. We'll try to compare our results with our expected results for the monthly payment, and we'll complete the scripting